There's been some issues with Facebook, and I just wanted to see if I could hop on. And it looks like I'm working. Looks like it is. We'll just I'm gonna try and add this to my VIP group if I can find it. There it is. All right. If you're on, great. If you're not, I guess I'll just talk to myself. Hey, Tanya, you're on? Okay. Well, apparently Facebook does work. Apparently, parts of it may not be. So, we're gonna go with this. All right. I didn't really think this through before I hit the button to go live. So, I think we're going to do kind of a neutral eye. We're going to try and do it quickly because I have to get Declan up so he can wash his dirty butt. That's always a challenge. Good morning. All right, so if you're on, say hi, press my nose, and you can follow me. I'm Sarah. I am a Blue Status presenter with Younique, and I just love this makeup, and I want to share it with you any chance I get. Good morning, Marcy. How are you? All right, so I think we're just gonna do a basic, no frills, kind of easy eye. Hey, Beth, it works. Something works. I don't know. We are gonna start with, and I think this is my new favorite transition. Okay, it is Transcendent. Hey, good morning. Thanks for hopping on. Transcendent. So I'm gonna take this. Wrong brush. Wrong brush. I'm a little not so prepared because I really wasn't planning on hopping on. I was planning on hopping on, and then I changed my mind, and then I hopped back on, and I was like, well, screw it. I'm just going to do it. So we're going to take Transcendent on my crease brush. Good morning, Todd Howarder. So yesterday, so this is so crazy. Yesterday, a bunch of people of my Younique friends are like, the Facebook's broken, it won't work. Hey, Sarah. And so I was like, well, crap. So I had a dinner date last night, so I went ahead and did my dinner date. The kids went to Awana. I came home, and I'm like, well, maybe Facebook's back up. And sure as anything else, it was. We're going to use Gingerly next. This is one of my favorite colors of all time. It's almost like a light cinnamon. Like, it reminds me of cinnamon. Just cinnamony. Cinnamony. So, all these people were freaking out because Facebook wasn't working. And I get on last night, and I'm trying to send some messages, and it's working. I'm like, awesome. So then this morning, some people were still having issues, and I'm like, well, maybe I was just gonna post some pictures this morning because I want to do some before and after pictures with the Flawless 4. That's our kudos this month, by the way. And so I was like, well, I'll just post pictures. And then I'm like, well, maybe I should try it. Here we are. But I do only have 15 minutes, so I'm just gonna really quickly put some eyeshadow on and wish you a great day and be done. Oh, it's ladies' night tonight, so if you're in the Abingdon, Avon, Knoxville, Galesburg area, come to my girlfriend's shop. It's Garden Gate Florist in Abingdon. It's right on the main drag right there. Right off. I shouldn't say it's right on. It's right off the main drag, and I'll be there giving makeovers. I can color match you or make you over while you're there. It's so much fun. You can have a glass of wine and chit chat with me, and playing my makeup. It's amazing. I love it. I love these nights. All right, so let's put on, I'm gonna put on this. Let's put on Fanatical. Ooh, fancy. Oh, I've got the look in. I've figured it out. I just start putting stuff on and it all falls together. I love that. Okay, so I'm putting the Fanatical on with my finger because I really, really like the way metallics pop out when I put it on with my finger. I think it works better. I think they stay better. And good morning, Mary Brown. And I think they look more vibrant. And it doesn't take as much time either, which is a good thing. All right, so I'm going to take Cynical now, which is my last color. It should be my last color. I'm going to put Cynical on in the corner with my, I'm going to do with my fluffy crease brush today. Well, thank you, Mary. I'm going to try. You do the same. It's going to be a great day. I was in a super good mood yesterday. It was a great day yesterday. It really was. My husband's coming home from work today. He's been gone all week. I've got ladies' night tonight. All my art classes are doing so well with their projects right now. We've got art club after school. I've got so much going on. It's not even funny. Oh, thank you. So we're going to do kind of a goldish, greenish eye. Our school colors are gold and yellow, and so whenever I wear A-Town stuff, I try and make sure that I coordinate. Yes, I'm one of those. I coordinate. So I'm just pressing this into the corner of my eye. And then I'm going to blend it out in just a second. And when I say blend, all I really mean is just soften the edges. And I may pull a little bit of that into the crease a little bit more. Oh, yes. All right, I'm going to grab my crease brush if I can find it. Here it is. I'm going to blend that, blur it into each other a little bit. Maybe even add a little bit more towards the bottom. I may add a little bit more of that Cynical. And again, I'm just tapping it on. If you tap these colors on, the color is more vibrant, but you also won't have fallout. I've also included, before I put this on, the eye primer, which is extremely helpful. And this press shadow actually has their primer infused, so they don't fall out a lot anyway, but I like the added assurance that the primer gives. And yesterday, I used the green eyeliner. I might have to use that again today. In Prosperous. I might not. I haven't decided yet. Like I said, this is totally on the fly. I didn't anticipate getting on and showing you this. Nor did I have a palette picked out. We're just doing it willy-nilly today. It's kind of how I roll anyway. All right. I'm definitely going to pull some of this underneath my eye, but I think I'm going to pull a different color completely underneath my eye, one that I have not used yet. And I think this kind of brightens it up and really pops your eye, so I'm going to show you how I do that. I just need the right brush. I'm going to take my liner shader brush and I'm going to grab Lively. Get out of here. This is Lively. Okay, so I've kind of hinted around on the top with the gingerly color, the orange, but I'm going to grab Lively now and I'm going to pull this underneath my eye. I guess I won't be using that liner. That would look kind of weird. All right. let's do, what do you think of using that lighter color underneath there? I'm gonna just drag a little bit of concealer underneath my eye where the green got a little bit low. Clean up that edge just a little bit. This one's not bad at all. We'll just even those bad boys out. I'm gonna add some mascara. We're done. You know what? I don't think I can end. I don't think I can do it. Hold on. Hold on. I gotta put a pop color in the corner of my eye. That's just kind of how I am. Gots to do it. But I gotta find the right one. We'll use gentle. That'll work. Gentle will work. So I just grab a little of that. I'm debating now. No, Sarah, just finish. Just finish. Finish. All right, Black Epic. We're gonna finish this for the win. So anyway, you guys are so quiet this morning. It's gonna be a busy day. I'm gonna be this excited all day long. I look forward to Ladies' Night at Garden Gate. I look forward to, we're planning the art show with Art Club. So we're working on, and I may have hit gold yesterday. I had an idea and I was talking to our woods teacher about it. And then somebody else said to talk to the librarian's husband about it. And he seems to think that he can help me make my idea come to fruition, which would be really amazing. Because I have a big idea planned. I don't know if I don't know, you guys. My ideas are generally pretty decent. And my follow through is pretty decent too. But this is kind of a big scale thing. I'm not really sure. It might be a little expensive too. We'll see. And then what do you do with it when you're done? Like, this is a big centerpiece for the art show. It's going to be in the middle of the gym. I'm not really sure. We'll see. I will definitely be sharing. I get black on my nose. So I'm just finishing up with this mascara. I forgot to put blush on. I used my foundation stick this morning with the setting powder. Actually, I used two foundation sticks, two different colors, one for my all over and then one for my contour, and then I set my whole face with setting powder. If you're interested in that or the kudos this month, let me know and I will get that ordered for you. You don't even have to do it. I can color match you and place your order for you. How easy is that? I'm going to have to do some blush and bronzer. I think I'm going to fall okay with the time. Let me do this pretty quick. We're bare bones in it today, you guys. We're going to put Supple on. Oh, I love this color. Love this color. This is really nice because there's a nice... It's not shimmer. It's not metallic. It's just a nice little glow almost. Does that make sense? Highlighter. There it is. I'm going to put some iridescent powder luminizer on. And then lip. I haven't even thought about a lip. Good grief. Oops. Nuts. What should I do? Ah, I know what I'm going to do. This is Spry. This is one of the metallic splash liquid lipsticks. Thank you, Sarah. That came out forever ago, and I don't know if I don't think it's available anymore, but it's just one of those go-to colors, especially when I wear this color eye. If you will, it's almost like a metallic neutral. All right, there we go. I think I did that in 15 minutes. I mean, I hope I did. All right, so if you're interested in this month's Kudos includes, and let me just show you really quickly what it includes. It includes the primer, concealer, foundation. Hey, Lindsay. Good morning. And the setting powder. Or the setting spray, okay? So that is the Kudos this month. You can also throw in one of these babies, and I highly suggest that you do. This is the foundation stick, and it is a wax-based product, not an oil-based product, and it is freaking amazing. And I'm not even pulling your chain on that one. I'm not over-exaggerating. It's amazing. I can wear this all day, and I won't have any creasing, and I won't have any touch-ups to do. Like, I will look this good at 8 o'clock tonight. I should do a picture at 8 o'clock so you can see how amazing this looks at 8 o'clock. If you haven't started following me, follow me. Just click my nose right there and it will ask you if you want to follow me, and then press yeah. And then you won't miss any of my lives. If you want to share this video, I am very much appreciate it. Have a wonderful Thursday. I'm going to enjoy mine. I'm going to have a rockin' awesome day. And I'll see you later. Bye.